Asteelflash is an electronic manufacturing services provider.
We are currently in our Poland site in Wrocław. This site is definitely one of our biggest sites in Europe,
where we manufacture over 1 million units per year with fully automated lines. In our industry, we are dealing with a huge complexity, and especially a huge complexity in data. We are managing hundreds of thousands of components, and so we have to maintain millions of parameters which are dynamic. For example, the lead time is changing, the price is changing.
We are able to adapt to the situation of our customers, our business requirements, as well as keeping that global mindset that will allow to provide added value, to act globally, but think locally.
We want to build a consistent experience for our customers across all regions. The important thing for us is to use the same ERP worldwide, the same controls, the same system. And this is really effective with QAD in Asteelflash.
Asteelflash is excelling today in the time to market as well. So our team are able to set up processes or manufacturing services, including design, in order to fulfill the market as quick as possible, because this is a key target to perform in our current industry.
The core model being based on QAD ERP, being very flexible.
In other words, we were able to configure that tool to fit our business model and not the other way around.
And when I compare with other companies, every time there is a migration from one ERP to another, it usually takes a very long time, over a year, costs a lot of money, and usually there are a lot of disruptions. In Asteelflash, when we roll out QAD to a new site, it takes less than 6 months. And usually it works from the day one pretty well. We are on a significant growth path, and so this is very exciting.
Because we have a target of growing, doubling our revenue in the next years.
We're going to acquire companies or acquire factories. We are able to roll out QAD in a new facility in a matter of months, so we're very confident that we are going to be able to grow with QAD in the next years.